How to enable Bluetooth on DJI Mic Mini. So first of all, take your DJI Mic Mini and all you would need is a receiver and a transmitter. So first of all, turn on your receiver. You can see a power button. Then all you would have to do is long press on the power button. After that, you would see a green light blinking, which means that the receiver has been turned on. Now, let's follow the same step for the transmitter as well. Let's long press on the power button. Now, the transmitter has been turned on as well. Now, in order to turn on the Bluetooth mode, just take your receiver first and you can see a pairing button. Double press on it. With that, you can see a blue light blinking. Now again, take your transmitter and then long press on the pairing button. With that, you can see blue and green light blinking on your transmitter as well. Then what you would have to do is take your mobile device and scroll down to your control panel and turn on Bluetooth on your mobile devices. Now once you turn on your Bluetooth, you can see DJI Mic Mini device shown here. All you would have to do is press on it. And then all you would have to do is tap on the option of pair. And with that, you would be able to enable Bluetooth on DJI Mic Mini and easily connect it to your phone. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.